the University of St. Thomas ABSN program site in Houston, Texas, where you will experience the hands-on practicum portion of your ABSN education and apply learned skills in a real-world healthcare environment. Dedicated study space. Spend some extra time on your coursework right here on campus. The ABSN at UST curriculum is designed to give students a solid nursing education that will ready them to sit for the NCLEX RN exam. So why not take advantage of this space to get a head start? On-site skills lab. Develop practical hands-on experience with patient care. Just down the hall from the study space is where you'll work with instructors to gain knowledge and skills while using realistic simulation mannequins. Simulation lab. Utilize state-of-the-art clinical equipment in our simulation lab to practice realistic patient care scenarios where your critical thinking, collaboration, and problem-solving skills will be challenged. Here, you will work with your peers to learn how to prioritize issues and provide nursing care to a diverse population in various healthcare settings. Skills lab. Apply your knowledge in a risk-free environment. Here, you'll put concepts learned in the online environment to practice. Holistic head-to-toe assessment, nasogastric and G-tube insertion, blood pressure and heart rate monitoring, wound care, and more, all under the guidance of faculty. Conference rooms. Meet and work with faculty and peers to discuss and debrief concepts learned in the simulation lab. Here you can reflect on the experience and learn from your mistakes in a judgment-free environment. Student lockers. Stow personal items while you are hard at work in labs or class. The University of St. Thomas ABSN program. Be bold, accelerate into nursing, and become the best version of yourself by using your existing bachelor's degree to earn a BSN in 12 months. Search ABSN St. Thomas to schedule an appointment with an admission representative.